Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot parental control errors in YouTube Kids. So if you are experiencing parental control error in YouTube Kids, it can disrupt your ability to manage content for your child. And through this video, I'm going to show you a guide to help troubleshoot and resolve common issues related to parental controls. So common parental control issues in YouTube Kids is the unable to set up parental controls, and you cannot or there are some profile errors, restricted content showing up, or app crashes during parental control setup. So the step-by-step to troubleshoot or fix it is: first you need to ensure you are connected to a stable internet connection, as YouTube Kids relies on the cloud to sync parent settings. And you can restart your Wi-Fi router or switch to mobile data if necessary. The second one is update the YouTube Kids app. So outdated app versions may cause bugs or errors, so you need to update the app via Google Play Store or App Store. The next one is clear the cache and data, because corrupted cache file can interfere with the app functionality. You can go to the settings and find apps, or you can just long press on the YouTube Kids application and click on info or app info, and then you can just tap on storage and cache and click on clear cache. But if the issue persists, you can choose to clear storage, but this will log you out and reset preference. And on iOS, you can just reinstall the app to clear its cache. And next one, you need to verify your Google account settings. You need to ensure your child profile is linked to your Google family account. You can verify the child profile that has correct permissions to access YouTube Kids. You can also reset parental controls. So if the parental controls aren't working, you can just go to settings on YouTube Kids, click on this gear icon, solve this math problem first, or enter the passcode, and in here you just need to reset settings and reconfigure parental controls. And you can also sync time and region, so because incorrect time or region setting may cause error, so you just need to go to your device date and time settings and enable the automatic time zone and ensure the region matches your location. Or you can also try to just reinstall the app. You can uninstall YouTube Kids and restart your device and reinstall it again and sign in. So if the none of the previous steps resolve the issue, you can try to visit the YouTube Kids Help Center and then just contact the YouTube Kids support. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.